Hi there, hictoalarm.com, that's my website. All the information is about how Hictoalarm is working and where you can order your copy of the Hictoalarm. My calling card. You have now ordered your copy at the web page. The copy is coming home to you, and you have looked at it, read the instructions, and the instructions would say put it in the mirror, the rear mirror, and it will flash for the emergency car, and it will flash another color for when you are going towards the roadblock on the highway, another roadblock, or be asked to slow down. Or you can put it in dashboard, again it will flash colors. Or you can put it in the windscreen, will flash, say some noise. This is in my private car. Now we are going to where I'm working. As you have read on Kickstarter and on my webpage, I'm a taxi driver. And of course, the company car shall have Hictoalarm installed too. Again, put it in the rear mirror, it will flash. Put it in the dashboard and it will flash. In the windscreen it will flash and make noise. Hictoalarm, thank you for listening. I hope you'll spread the news and buy your copy of Hictoalarm. Thank you. Bye.